You're looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that delivers premium features. The Amazfit Bip 6 might just be the best option out there. At just $80, it offers offline maps, built-in GPS, strength training tracking, cycle tracking, voice, control with Zep Flow, and even Bluetooth calling. Features usually found in high-end models like the Apple Watch or Galaxy Watch. The Amazfit Bip 6 proves that great tech doesn't have to come with a high price tag, sleek design, and vibrant display. If you're looking for a stylish yet lightweight smartwatch with a premium feel, the Amazfit Bip 6 has a lightweight design that will give you the feel of a high-end model. Its 46.3mm case made of aluminum alloy, weighing 30 grams, won't cause wrist fatigue even if you wear it for a long time. Available in 4 stylish colors: black, charcoal, stone, and red, the Bip 6 will enhance your sense of beauty sense. Its durable aluminum alloy build keeps it sturdy without adding extra bulk, making it comfortable for all-day wear. The vibrant 1.97-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 380 by 450 pixels and 2000 nits brightness, ensures excellent visibility, whether you're indoors or outside in bright sunlight. If you appreciate a refined design and practical features, the Bip 6 delivers both aesthetics and functionality. The 2.5D tempered glass adds a touch of elegance and enhances durability. Advanced health monitoring. If you care about your health and well-being, the Amazfit Bip 6 can be a game changer for you. With its advanced BioTracker 6.0 ppg sensor, it keeps a close watch on your heart, stress, and oxygen levels, giving you the insights you need to take better care of yourself. Whether you're pushing through a tough workout, winding down after a long day, or just trying to understand your body better, this watch has your back. And with its improved sleep tracking, you'll wake up knowing exactly how well you rested, because you deserve to feel your best every day. Fitness tracking. The Amazfit Bip 6 is like having a personal coach on your wrist. With 140 plus sports modes, it supports everything from everyday workouts to specialized training like high rocks races and smart strength training, which tracks and analyzes your exercises automatically. The AI-powered fitness plans adapt to your goals, pushing you when you need motivation and helping you train smarter, not just harder. Whether you're aiming for peak performance or just staying active, this watch ensures every workout counts. Smart strength training. Plan your workouts in the Zep app, sync them to your watch, and let strength training mode take over. With intelligent rep, set, and rest tracking, you can stay focused on your progress without constantly checking your watch. Plus, with auto detection of 25 exercise types, your Bip 6 ensures every movement counts. Whether you're lifting, pushing, or pulling, this smartwatch keeps up, so you can stay in the zone and crush your goals. Cycle tracking, wild AI. If you're a girl with cycle tracking, you'll get accurate predictions and reminders for your upcoming period, helping you plan ahead and stay on top of your health. Plus, by connecting with Wild AI, you'll get personalized exercise, diet, and recovery recommendations tailored to your hormonal cycles. Whether you're training, working, or resting, this feature turns your body's natural rhythms into energy, helping you feel your best every day. Offline maps and GPS navigation. The Bip 6 could be a great fit for you, especially if you enjoy outdoor activities like running, cycling, or hiking. Backed by a 5-satellite system, ensuring accurate tracking and reliable connectivity offline. Maps and round-trip routing with GPS let you explore new routes with confidence without needing your smartphone. While it lacks dual-band GNSS, its GPS is reliable for everyday navigation, making it a practical choice for your fitness and adventure needs. Combined with its lightweight build and bright AMOLED display, the Bip 6 offers a premium experience without the high price tag, making it a practical and stylish companion for your active lifestyle. Impressive battery life. Battery performance is a critical factor for wearable devices. The Amazfit Bip 6's 340 mAh battery life ensures you stay connected without the constant worry of charging. With up to 14 days of use on a single charge, you can focus on your adventures, workouts, and daily routines without interruption. Even under heavy use, it keeps up with your pace, letting you explore, track, and navigate without being tethered to a charger. Whether you're pushing limits or simply living life on the go, the Bip 6 is designed to keep up, so you can do more, worry less, and stay in the moment. Bluetooth calling and notifications. If staying connected effortlessly is important to you, the Amazfit Bip 6 makes it easier than ever. With its built-in microphone and speaker, you can answer calls directly from your wrist. No need to reach for your phone. Stay in the loop with instant alerts for calls, messages, social media updates, and calendar events, ensuring you never miss anything important. Whether you're in the middle of a workout, commuting, or simply on the go, the Bip 6 keeps you connected, making life smoother and more convenient. Voice Assistant. A seamless experience, the Amazfit Bip 6 with Zepp Flow is perfect for you. Imagine adjusting settings, checking your Zepp Coach progress, or viewing your readiness score, all with just your voice. No need for endless tapping or swiping. Just speak naturally, and your watch responds. Whether you're mid-workout, on the move, or simply want a hands-free experience, Zepp Flow makes everything effortless, keeping you focused on what truly matters. Remote camera control. You love taking photos, but hate the struggle of setting up the perfect shot? The Amazfit Bip 6 makes it effortless. With its remote camera control, you can snap group photos or selfies without awkward angles or rushing to. Beat a timer. Whether you're capturing memories with friends or framing the perfect solo shot, this feature ensures you get the best photos without the hassle. Stay in the moment and let your Bip 6 handle the rest. 5 ATM water resistance. Combining durability with effortless style, it's designed to handle whatever your day throws at it. Whether you're sweating it out at the gym, caught in the rain, or taking a dip, its 5 ATM water resistance ensures reliability through every challenge. Stay active, stay stylish, and let your Bip 6 move with you, wherever life takes you. Conclusion. The Amazfit Bip 6 proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a feature-packed smartwatch. With its sleek design, bright AMOLED display, built-in GPS, offline maps, strength training tracking, cycle tracking, and Bluetooth. Calling, it offers an impressive range of capabilities at an affordable $80 price tag. Whether you're a fitness enthusiast, an outdoor adventurer, or someone who just wants to stay connected effortlessly, the Bip 6 delivers reliability, style, and performance without compromise. If you're searching for the best budget smartwatch, this might just be it. That's all for now. See you in the next one.